Hello everyone, it is not a cooking video today, but I did want to share that I am currently moving to Texas, so I thought I would record that for you along with my unpacking of everything and cooking for the first time, so I hope you enjoy. Guys, this is my absolute favorite. My boyfriend got this for me the first time we went to Voodoo Donuts in Portland. We went like middle of the night and it was freezing, and I think it had been raining earlier, but the voodoo man that they have, the original voodoo donut man that they have that's filled with jelly inside is really, really, really good. The rest of the donuts are really good, but that was my favorite. And they had these like in a rotating glass case, but look how cool. 99% of our classes are from breweries. We go to a brewery basically everywhere we travel to, and this one is from Julian Hard Cider Company, which is in Julian, California. It's like maybe an hour and a half away from San Diego, but really good hard cider, different flavors. The apple pie one, super good, I recommend. Next box says kitchen appliances, so do that next. Oh my gosh, there's an In-N-Out here. I thought that I wasn't gonna have In-N-Out until like December when we get to see our family, but there's one downtown, I believe, so I'm super excited. My manager from my job that I left gave me a gift card there, and she's a genius. She probably knew that there was one here, and I just didn't. I thought she maybe gave it to me so that I could eat it one last time, but yeah, just found that out today. I'm vegetarian, so that's why I really like In-N-Out. I love that there is a no meat option that still tastes really good and it's still filling. Otherwise I would try Whataburger because we have one right down the street. So this was our first grocery haul. We essentially moved without any kind of groceries except for the peanut butter and the almond butter that you saw in the previous clip that I showed. But there is a Trader Joe's here. I think there are actually two. So we just went really quickly and we stocked up the basics for our fridge and our pantry. While we were browsing Trader Joe's, we found a beer that we thought looked really cool, and so we decided to try it, but it definitely looks cooler than it tastes. It has kind of a sour lingering aftertaste, so if you're not into that, I don't recommend it. You guys have no idea how excited I was to cook this first meal here. It was just really basic. I didn't add any of the description labels here because I just made breakfast potatoes, I made avocado toast, and scrambled eggs. But after packing and boxing things and moving and unloading and loading, so much sweat, literally, and so much driving and just being uncomfortable and eating so much food not from your own kitchen, my body was really feeling it, and I just felt really uncomfortable. I don't really like to eat out often to begin with, so this day was definitely huge for me. There are appliances in the background because we were actually given a really nice fridge by my boyfriend's mom, so we replaced that, and then we had to have that stove replaced, so they're not longer there, but this was by far my favorite day.
as far as moving tips go, I think I learned a lot from this journey. I had never moved from one state to another, and I would say that if you have something and you use it a lot, definitely keep it. It sounds really practical to just throw things away, but everything adds up very, very quickly. So just little things that you don't think about become very, very expensive very quickly, because there are so many little things that you end up needing. And overall, I would just say, if you have that luxury of keeping things that you think you'll need, just do it.
For the avocado toast, I like to mash it all up in a bowl, and then I add either lemon pepper or black pepper with garlic powder, or you can add the Everything Bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's, which is really good. So I'm gonna get started on it.
Since I am new to Texas, and specifically the San Antonio area, if you have any recommendations of places to eat, things to do, just general entertainment, you can let me know down in the comments. I believe that we are road tripping to Austin next weekend, so that should be really, really fun, and I'm really excited to go because I've heard that Austin is kind of like a baby California or a baby San Francisco almost. So I'm excited, and I will keep you guys updated on that adventure too.
Ezekiel bread has literally no preservatives in it, so it goes bad pretty quick. When I buy it at Sprouts, it's in the fridge to keep it good for longer, but Trader Joe's doesn't do that. What I like to do is put it in the freezer so it doesn't go bad, and then I eat 1 to 2 slices like every other day, so that way it doesn't mold and it's still good. Once you put it in the toaster, it's totally fine. So yeah, that's a tip for me. My boyfriend doesn't like Ezekiel bread, so I'm gonna make a slice of sourdough.
I'm just adding the finishing touches on my avocado toast. It was just a simple filling avocado toast with an egg scramble and some breakfast potatoes. It was perfect to say the least, and I can't wait to keep you guys updated on our new travel adventures and more food to come. So I will see you again next Sunday. Thank you so much for watching.